In this video, we'll take a look at adding a top menu to the form. Also located as part of the form structure is a top menu option. And if I select the top menu and I right-click, I can add a new group to the top menu. And I'm just going to go ahead and give this group a name of store. And I'll give a title to this group, store information. Now I could also add an image, a comment, etc. here. But now within this new group, I'm going to add an item. And I'll just go ahead and add the add action. Again, in the name attribute must be bound to the action. And I can add some information there. Then I could add a separator if I wanted to, and then maybe I'll add another item, and this time I'll just add the item exit, and we'll just leave everything else blank and let that pick up from the action defaults. Any settings for the exit action will be picked up here and used instead of setting them here. Now let's go ahead and compile the form. And run the program and see how this looks. Here we have our toolbar. Now above we have one option, add customer, which is bound to the add action, so it takes us right into the input in the form. And we tried to add exit, but that doesn't seem to be the right action name. So let's take a look at our toolbar and see what the action name is there for the quit button. So if we come over here to the toolbar and we look at quit, we want to look at its properties. And the name is not exit, but instead is quit. So let's go ahead and use that for our top menu. Change that to quit. And we'll go ahead and compile the form again and execute and see if that helped. Well, it's now quitting, but we didn't pick up any information about the quit action. So let's go ahead and add another bit of information for quit. And again, we'll recompile and rerun the program. And now we have a little bit of a better top menu. Now top menus can also be nested. So let's suppose we wanted to add the find, which is bound to the find action. Let's go ahead and take that and add that to our top menu, but let's create a new group under store. So from here, we'll add a new group, and we're going to add a new item to that group. And this item we're going to associate with the find action. And give it some text. Compile and execute. And now we can see we have our two options on our main level, and then we have this group 1, which is associated with the find action. So it's picking up an image there and then using the text that we supplied, which was query. And when we select it, we go right into our query option in our program.